Yo, I'm using the back of my camera.
Let's get into it. I got
Boots, some shoes from Poshmark. These are the Truth or Dare Madonna boots back in like 2009. Some boots because I think it will go perfect with the style I'm going for. They're so cute on the way, and they're just like so plain or whatever. But like I super adore these. Wow. This is my designer, Madonna. Found it in my size. Bro, these go for, I think these go for like $80 at the time. And then the seller was selling these for $40. And I'm like, let me get these for $35. And I said I was very interested. They gave it to me. So shout out to the seller. Thank you. They're just a plain wedge, but it's like a platform, like it's together connected. I love that so bad. And these are in great condition. Like there's barely any scratches. It's just a little dusty. You gotta, And I was thinking of adding like maybe a cross here or something, maybe some spikes, maybe like put some grommets here on the ankle, something like that. You know what I mean? Because they're so plain. Like these are cute like this. These are narrow, bruh. Be perfect for skinny jeans. Perfect for skinny jeans, or if you got wax skinny jeans, that's like the best combination. That's why I got these. So I'm gonna put out a small vlog of me dyeing my jeans. If you think there's like any other things I can do with these, let me know, because I just love taking like ideas or whatever. So yeah, okay, that was it. That's all I got. And yeah, peace.